here from Peach Software, coming to you from the other side of the camera. I'm going to talk to you today about custom templates. Custom templates are a list of parts and descriptions that you can store under a code and then recall into the point of sale or the invoice or the customer order screen. Kits are predefined kits, and so when you bring those in, you can't change them on the fly at this point in time. However, custom templates are just a template of things that you might want to do or include in the package, and you can change them on the fly. Now, there are a couple of bugs in the software I'm just about to show you. The first person to tell me what the bugs are, I'll send a $50 gift voucher to. So keep watching, watch carefully. So I've got my customer loaded, I'm in the point of sale screen, go into the part, and the way you trigger the custom templates is to put a /. And if you put after the / the start of the code of your template, it will then search the template. So I've got a template called SS. So it's SS, it's a standard service for a Mustang 2016. There's the description of the template, and here are the part numbers that are included in the kit. And if I just click OK, it'll put them into the transaction for me. If you want to review some information on this, just click on the question mark and it'll explain to you how it works. So I'll just click OK, and that brings the parts into the transaction screen for you. So that's in the point of sale screen. I'll just show you in the invoicing screen. So I'll put our customer in. OK to that. Go into the part number, a /, enter, and there's your custom template. OK, and again it comes into the screen. So you can change the quantities, you can delete lines, you can add more lines if you like. It's a little bit freehand, but it's a great thing to use if you're going to be doing the same service with the same vehicle. You can preset it up, don't forget anything. Or if you're selling a pack of products, you can put them into a standard kit, a standard custom template, sorry, and then you can adjust what goes in it. So it has a couple of uses there. So thanks for watching, and remember, if you spotted the bug, then the first one to let me know, $50 gift voucher. Thanks for watching.